Hello from Bug Eye Guys, and before me is Eggplant. Eggplant is one of those special colored bug eyes that is not a factory color, but man, it's just a special color. It looks right on the car. So for people who like that sort of thing, this is a rare opportunity. We had another one that was a metallic beige, and that also was a very, very striking color for this shape, and I love this. So that's probably the nicest thing about Eggplant, is that it's a wonderful color and an exceptional finish. It was a very well restored car when it was restored and repainted. So it has this really beautiful deep shine. It's a gorgeous car. It has the right license plate light support. It has a rare badge, which is a 50-year celebration arrow. Those are no longer available, but there were some of those for a while available, and we put the twin tip muffler on the car, and has a nice tonneau. It's just sprinkling a little right now, and this is why I love tonneaus so much, is that when you park them outside like this is how you keep the cockpit dry and keep the sun out of it. We have wind wings as well. We have an excellent windshield gasket. This is all good. There is one flaw here where sadly somebody moved the top. And these tops are a little tight and they shrink over time, because somebody just took this out and put the fitting a little higher. So that's an imperfection. But such is life with 60-year-old cars. We see this kind of thing. If it really bothered you, and for some of our clients it might, we can weld this, polish it, we can replace the frame. But I think most people would just opt to live with that. It's not really that serious. We have these really nice bullet mirrors, and this one is offset on a strip of metal so that the side curtain can swing out without hitting these. These mirrors, when they're in the aft hole of the windshield post, they can hit the side curtains. We have these great wire wheels, chrome wire wheels on a hot color. It's a lot of pop. These are the two-eared spinners that are so nice. So you have to hit these to get them off. We sell a Delrin stick that goes on here, and that stops these from getting blemished, because over time these just kind of get all dented from whacking them. But we have a way to work around that. And we have 175 tires. We have a really good nose line, so the nose fit is good. And really nice around these headlight buckets, and an excellent grille. We have stock headlights. We do have LED lights installed, which is nice. You'll see me using those. I'll put those on now, and in the drive back to the shop, I'll keep those on just for daytime running light visibility. You can see, the front view is just a little bit more visible for oncoming cars. Looks like we left this unlatched, we want that latched. And there is one tiny little paint blemish right here. If you can see that, it's like a little bit of a blister under the paint. It appears to be stable, but that is something I noticed. It's pretty minor. And then in the front we have another paint blemish right here, and this is a crack that's been here since we had the car. We had the car about 1.5 years ago. We modified it for the last owner. We put in the LED lights in the mirror and the exhaust and a bunch of other things. I have the build sheet. So that crack was there then. It's unfortunate, but like I said, these are the things that you get with these old cars, usually at a much more serious level. These are just some minor annoyances. There's also an aluminum radiator behind that grill as well that we put in. So anyway, just trying to give you a casual tour of what I think is a very special car that we have here at Bug Eye Guys.